Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use comments in Python. Comments are important in your code. Sometimes you might need to document or specify what function a particular part of a code is doing. So in Python, there are two ways for writing comments. So in your code, you can have your pound symbol, and then anything after this pound symbol will be anything after this hash symbol will be your comment. So this is a comment. So and that goes on. So this is another comment. So as you can see, this just goes once you click, it doesn't give any output or have any function. It's just to specify to the user or to the reader of your code that this is a comment. So for a multi-line comment, you have three apostrophes like this. Then this is a so as you can see, this is a multi-line comment. If I set it as a variable, okay, it can be a variable anyway. So this is a multi-line comment in your code. This is a multi-line comment. So guys, that is how to write a comment in Python. So the two ways to write a comment. You can subscribe for more Python videos from this channel. See you in another one.